A warm welcome again to Nugget of Money Intelligence. Today I'll be talking about staying on track. Staying on track in the pursuit of your financial goals. Yes, stay on track. If you have any financial goals that you set for this year, stay on track in order to achieve them. It's very, very important. If you don't stay on track, nobody else is going to help you to fulfill or to achieve your financial goals. If your financial goals mean anything to you, you must stay on track. You see, athletes, when they're running, they stay on track. They push themselves. So whatever financial goals you have set for yourself for this year, you need to stay on track. Don't be disappointed. Even if you have 10 financial goals and you haven't achieved any, you must stay on track. Don't take yourself out of the game, right? You may have to re-strategize, check what you need to do, what you need to tweak, where you need to put in effort. But the one thing that is topmost that you must do is that stay on track. Let's say, for instance, you want to save £5 a month or 5,000 naira per month. You may not have achieved that, or you may have achieved that zigzagly since the beginning of the year, but do not give up. Stay on track. Your financial goals are worth the effort that you put into them. So stay on track. Don't let disappointment, don't let frustrations, don't let discouragement make you to give up, right? So like I said, if you wanted to be saving X amount of money for the year, throughout the year, and 8 months down the line, 9 months in the 9th month, let's say you haven't even saved anything for the past 8 months, or let's say you have only achieved 10% of that 5,000 naira you plan to save, but you were only able to save just for 2 months. Yes, that is no excuse to give up on those financial goals. You have to stay on track and then see, what can I do in order to save this 5,000 naira at the end of this month? What can I do going forward? So it's important you stay on track. You see, in football, you see premiership teams, championship teams, and those in the lower league, they stay for the season, even if they've been losing 5 games, 6 games. They do not say, all right, we've had enough, we're going to take our team, we're not going to show up for the next couple of games. No, they stay on track, take note, and see what they can improve, what they need to do. Even if they don't have any chances of not escaping relegation, they still have to show up. So stay on track, show up. Your financial goals are important so that at the end of the year, you have something to say yes, whether it is out of 10 financial goals, I achieved 3 or I achieved 2. This is what you can then take forward into next year. And by the way, are you already thinking of 2026? Yes. So this is the reason why you need to stay on track. As you stay on track, you see where, what you are not only staying on track, you are gathering note. You are taking note of whatsoever has been useful. You can look back in the 8th month and see what has not worked. So it's important your financial goals stay on track. Whatever it is, whether it is to reduce your debt and you've not even been able to achieve any, yes, stay on track, stay in the game. Those financial goals are important. What can I do? What can you do? Those are the things where you need to be looking, and that is why I say it's very, very important that you keep educating yourself, you keep watching something like this so that you get fired up, you get more financially educated. So by becoming financially educated, you will be able to spot things, you'll be able to come across information, you'll be able to get tips that can help you. So it's important. There's still a lot to play for. And by the way, if you do not have financial goals for this year, it's not too late either. Articulate your financial goals. There's still all to play for. Stay on track. If you don't have financial goals, get working, get cracking, put something down. Where do I want to be come December 31st in terms of my finances, in terms of my personal finances? So it's important, set financial goals. If you do not have, if you already have them, stay on track. It doesn't matter whether you have achieved 1 or you've achieved 0. And make sure your financial goals, make sure they're not more than 12, by the way. That's another, I will be talking about this in another video, but whatever your financial goals, make sure you stay on track. It's very, very important. Excuse me. So it's important that you keep your eyes, stay on track. Those financial goals, they are worth it. At the end of the year, you'll be able to say, yes, these are the things that I set, and these are the things which I've achieved. So until I come your way again in the next time, remember this: stay on track. Your financial goals, if they're important to you, they are worth the effort. Don't abandon them along the line. Stay on track. See what you can improve. See what you can tweak. Push yourself. Your financial goals matter. If they matter to you, stay on track. If they matter for you, stay on track. If you value your financial goals, if you're serious about them, stay on track. Until I come your way again, remember this: stay on track, and put down a comment for me to let me know how you are staying on track for your financial goals, what you want to do, what your financial goals are. Put down some comments, and then until I come your way again, remember this: stay on track for your financial goals.